Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel Brush and Paisley. I am Raksha Soni and today we will be drawing a llama. So let's begin. First step is to make a curvy shape like this for making the face. We will be making couple of curves over here and then making the top side of the face, curve on the other side like this. Make this line slightly longer and then the front side of the neck going slightly outside, and then we are with some curves we are going down like this. On top of llama we will be making one basket over here. So making a U shape or semicircle shape here and slightly curvy shape on top. We double line that shape. And then we will be making a turn here on top. The tail is very roundish, and then again we make a shape like this. Let's do the center part of the body first. Okay, so this is almost underneath here. Then we will be making two legs, leaving some space, and one leg, and this is another leg. Okay, so this is the beginning, and we do the same thing on this side. So one leg will be coming over here and another one. We are again making a shape which has some curvy zigzags, and eventually it will go and merge with the body. Okay, so one leg straight, coming like this, slightly narrower at the bottom. We make one straight horizontal line and then two diagonal lines and join them together. We do the same thing here, going straight, slightly narrow at the bottom, one straight line, two diagonal lines, and making the second leg. Back side, little bit walking position, so let's do a little bit more diagonal, straight line, and then we make the foot part. Okay, the last one is straight, making one straight line, two diagonal lines, and making the foot like this. On the face, we will be making two curves like this. Eye, we are just making one semicircle and putting eyelashes here for the cute eyes. Okay, two ears, we will start almost from the center, go straight, and then curve on the other side. We do the same thing for the other ear, going straight, this time slightly lower than the other one, and again we are curving on the other side for making the ears. You can also make inside part of the ear like this on both sides. So they do decorate llama a lot in South America. So let's do some decorations. So first thing we will be doing, so llama is wearing a necklace. So there is one necklace over here. There is another one here. And underneath the basket, there is a decorative cloth, so we will be making a circular shape for that, and inside that we will be doing double line, and if you want you can do more, so depending on how much decoration you want to put. I'm making some circles over here, and I will also making some circle outside of the semicircle shape we created initially. So this is the decoration. You can hang these pom-poms over here, and then we will be doing different kind of pom-poms here or hangings. So okay, so if you want to put vegetables in the basket, in that case, so let's do the basket design first. We are making some horizontal lines over here, and inside the basket let's put one apple first. So this is my apple. Okay, after apple let's put one pear. So this is the pear. Next to it, if you want to put maybe some oranges. Okay, so one orange over here, there is one more orange, and on top of that let's put a pineapple. Okay, so pineapple, it's a little bit tilted, you can make the lines like that. This is the texture on pineapple, and on top you can make the leaves of pineapple. So this completes our drawing for the llama. Let's begin coloring.